Jack Wires, attorney and president of Family and Elder Law of Mid-Michigan, joins us again on Morning Blend. Welcome, Jack. Last month, you introduced your digital estate planning application, Guider. Talk about this new application. How's this going to help people in our community?
Well, Deb, yeah, we're super excited to announce Guider. Caring.com did an estate planning survey for 2021, and they found that less than 1/4 of people between 18 and 54 had done any estate planning. It's a huge need in the community. I just left my doctor's office and she was talking about all the people that she has that haven't done patient advocate designations so that somebody could act for them when they can't. If you talk to financial advisors, they will tell you that all their clients over 18 need a financial power of attorney. And for folks that have young kids, they should have a will and have guardianship nominations included in those wills. So, it just becomes an important part of, people in the community need to do this thing. And so it makes it very accessible. The typical complaints we hear from people is that, they don't have the time to do it. It's not convenient. It's too expensive. They don't want to meet with an attorney because some people just don't like meeting with us from time to time. So it kind of addresses all of those things, but it allows us to get a set of eyes on it, at least to just kind of look it over one last time to make sure it's the right thing for each person. So it really addresses all those needs. So as I said, we're super excited to be able to unveil that to the community.
What type of person should consider using Guider?
Well, as I said, so, most people don't understand, if you send a child off to college at 18, either they're an adult now. So if something were to happen to them while they're at college, parents don't necessarily have a legal right to direct their care or do anything like that without establishing a guardianship or direct their finances without establishing a conservatorship. Obviously, the care thing might be more important for those folks. By getting powers of attorney and a power of attorney for finances and a patient advocate designation in place, the kids can go on and do that. They're used to doing those kind of things online and have those in place. So if something were to happen to them, their folks would have authority, or whoever you want to have authority to intervene and help direct your care without getting the court involved. That's very important. And then for those young couples that have kids, having a will, having those two documents in place for anybody, over the age of 18 is important. For young people that have kids, having a will in place, in particular, having a guardianship nomination if something were to happen to them, so that the court can look at a document and see who you'd like your kids to be cared for and raised by if something were to happen to both of you.
Yeah. Find out more online. Jack Wires, attorney and president, Family and Elder Law, Mid-Michigan.
All right. Thanks, Deb.